We'll guide you through how to insert text in Google Sheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the page is ready, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file where you want to add text. After selecting the file, wait until the spreadsheet loads completely and the worksheet appears on the screen. Next, look at the grid made up of rows and columns. Each intersection forms a cell where information can be entered. Decide which cell you want to insert text into. Move your cursor to the selected cell and click it to activate it. Once the cell is active, you will observe a blue border around it indicating that it is ready for input. After selecting the cell, move your cursor to the formula bar located at the top of the sheet. Notice that the formula bar is ready to receive input from the keyboard. You can click either inside the cell or inside the formula bar to begin typing. Start typing the text you want to insert into the spreadsheet. The text can be a word, a number, or even a short sentence depending on the information you want to record. As you type, observe the text appearing inside the selected cell. When you finish typing, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the entry. If you want to continue adding more information, click another cell and type a new word or phrase in that location. Press Enter again to confirm the entry. As you continue working, you will observe text appearing in multiple cells across the worksheet. If you later decide to modify the content of a cell, simply double-click the cell you want to edit. You will notice the text cursor appearing inside the cell, allowing you to add or delete characters as needed. Sometimes the text you enter may not be fully visible because the column is too narrow. In that case, adjust the column width. Move your cursor to the border between two column letters at the top of the sheet. Then click and drag the border to expand the column width. As the column becomes wider, you will observe the text becoming easier to read. Review the worksheet to ensure all inserted text appears correctly. Then continue adding or editing text or sharing the spreadsheet.